one, our topic is all about fermentation. So, does anyone have any idea what is fermentation? Or nabumoy ka ng nalukok nga information about kung saan ang fermentation? A little background of the word fermentation is familiar mo sa person na giname of kuan? Louis Pasteur? No. So, familiar ka si? Familiar pero si Louis Pasteur is the first zymologist. So, unsa man ang zymologist? Kanang zymologist is the term of the researcher nga nag-study of zymology. Then, unsa man pala zymology? How does it connect to fermentation? Nahiraman, Z o F o Gabriel first letter. Kani magod si zymology, this is the science term of fermentation. So, kung iwan ka yung study na tingnan tao is about zymology. So, it means na siguro example is more on mga fermentings, mga mag-ferment mo sa pagkakwa na or study the body yung sa pag-ferment ng mga energy nato. And then, to proceed, fermentation is derived from the word, in the Latin word, fervere, which means to boil. What it means in the Latin word, the fermentation is fervere, which means to boil. So, kaya fermentation na ni boiling. Hindi na depende sa kanasod. Kung pukaw ka o mga sapol, ito, pukaw mo ni mo para sa gamit mo pagpapay. Agad sila sa body, minit sa body. Like, yung sa pag-ferment sa energy para mapuno sila o lactate. Then, kaya fermentation is the metabolic process in converting, kung saan i-convert ni fermentation, kung saan i-graham pupusan. So, ang i-convert ni fermentation is the carbohydrates. Ang i-convert ni carbohydrates, is the acid and alcohol. Acid and alcohol. So, ano ang i-convert ni carbohydrates, acid and alcohol? How does it connect in fermentation? So, di ba kapamilyar mo sa itong carbohydrates? Kung ito yung mga saccharides, disaccharides, single unit sugar, double unit sugar, mga sila ang mga carbohydrates. So, for example, ato sa i-convert into alcohol. So, kaya kung magmuna ang example, in terms of food, isa man, or in terms of foods. So, magmuna dito ang grapes. Iba ka ng grapes, naman yung monosaccharide ka ng grapes, ka ng consist man na sila, o ka ng single sugar unit ka ng grapes. How, ato ako ay traditional, kung saan man sila pag-ferment, para mahimong alcohol. Traditional siguro, ang grapes, atong bumukon, para yung juice, and then, siguro na mga boiling, kung parang ay nito, ang naluto sila, and then, nag-process kami tapos, dahil yung stock para mahimong alcohol. So, sa fermentation, harap ko sa function. Although, we use scientific instruments, unlike manual, doon kay lisod, ferment para sa carbohydrates o alcohol. Same po sa itong body. Kaya itong body ng code nag-consist of energy. So, way back karon, proceed natin sa topic na aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. How does it connect to fermentation to produce this lactic acid fermentation? So, way back man po sa ito ang biochemistry mga topic is kanang more on aerobic ta. Kahila ibang tayo sa end. More on aerobic na ta. Kan aerobic sa ito mga live sa ito biochemistry na. Ano sa fermentation? Yung bukod sa aerobic. Kani mag aerobic ra sa atong biochemistry is kanang muna sa atong method of main method in carrying ATP production. Kung saan man ang ATP production? Mao na ang energy source or energy production. Mao na ang energy na to ang mag-convert. So, ganito lang po ni ATP kaya ito ang sila. I'm not wrong. Pwede. Ako ba? One is ATP. So, in order ko no makaproduce ka og source, nag-need ka ni aerobic respiration. Kasi aerobic respiration man god nag-generate sila og glycolysis, citric acid, of oxidated phosphorylation. Mo na generates ni aerobic respiration. Sa aerobic kaysa may generate, which is glycolysis na located sa cytoplasm, citric acid na located sa mitochondrial matrix of oxidative phosphorylation na located po sa ilang mitochondrial membrane. So, kani sila tulo sa aerobic respiration, nag-need sila sa presence of the molecular element called oxygen. So, sa gifokusan sa aerobic respiration is oxygen. Maka-ferment po sila kung may oxygen. Pero, sa ato ang topic ng fermentation na ako other way to ferment or to produce energy na kanang na oxygen. Mo ni aerobic respiration, fermentation. So, to proceed sa discussion, this will be discussed by kanang Miss Nicamoson because there are two types of fermentation. The lactic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation and the alcohol fermentation. So, there are two types of fermentation. The lactic acid fermentation and the alcohol fermentation. So first, we're going to discuss about the lactic acid fermentation. So what is lactic acid fermentation? The lactic acid fermentation is an anaerobic or the oxygen-free metabolic process that converts sugar into a small amount of cellular energy. That is called or has a term ATP. And this produces lactic acid. It occurs in the bacterial, animals, and human muscle cells. During the intense activity, and the process produces the body an energy without using oxygen. So, in other words, lactic acid fermentation is the backup energy of your muscle cells. So, how the lactic acid fermentation works? The process of lactic acid fermentation is the glycolysis, the pyruvate, and the lactic acid fermentation. The glycolysis in the process, the glucose or what we know sugar, the glucose or the sugar produced or broke down into cytoplasm, which produce an 2 ATP, 2 pyruvate, and NADH. While this glycolysis is in process, NAD plus and NADH are helping. But these two has different function. This NADH are already carrying the oxygen on hydroxide, while this NAD plus still collecting an energy. And as you notice, there are also 2 NADH and 2 NAD plus in the below because these are cycles. So, magbalik-balik lang ang process niya. And while processing, it forms a fermentation. So, fermentation is where NADH donates electrons to pyruvate and regenerate NAD+ to continue the glycolysis process so that cell always keep moving to ATP or the energy per glucose. So the example of the lactic acid is the exercise. During the exercise or during the play, because of intense Because of the intense exercise or the pain, your muscles needs a lot of energy quickly. But your oxygen cannot reach or cannot produce fast enough. So your muscles switch to lactic acid. Switch to lactic acid fermentation to keep moving your energy. And it gives small amount of energy to keep moving. And as you notice during your activity, you feel burning, feel exhausted, tired because of the buildup of lactic acid. And this lactic acid can be removed when you rest and breathe normally. When the oxygen reaches in your muscles again. So this is the lactic acid. So now let's proceed for the alcohol fermentation. Alcohol fermentation is an aerobic metabolic process wherein microorganisms, primarily yeast, convert sugars, which is the glucose, the fructose, and the sucrose, into cellular energy, producing ethanol and carbon dioxide as byproducts. This process does not require oxygen, which is the same with the lactic acid. It does not require an oxygen. So, how do alcohol fermentation work, or the process of alcohol fermentation? So the process of alcohol fermentation is the glucose produced or formed into ethanol plus carbon dioxide and plus energy. So the same process with the lactic acid fermentation, glucose broke down into cytoplasm and broke down into the glucose broke into cytoplasm and produced a pyruvate molecules. And these are small energy ATP is released. And then the pyruvate is converted into acetaldehyde, releasing the carbon dioxide. The acetaldehyde is reduced to ethanol NADH and originates NAD+, allowing glycolysis to continue, which is the same process with the lactic acid. So the example of the alcohol fermentation is the yeast added in the bread. When yeast is added in the bread dough, it feeds on the sugar. Since there is no oxygen, it undergoes alcohol fermentation. It is where alcohol fermentation forms, which the carbon dioxide makes the dough rise at kapantay mo pag mag-bake, ibabatangan ng yeast para mutubo, rise, or forms bubbles. Depende ko kasi nyo, ganun mga gagmay mga busot, kaya mo na ang bubbles. And the ethanol or alcohol, it evaporates in baking. The other example is the drink made by fermenting the sugar in grapes. Grapes are crushed to release juice. Yeast is added. Yeast ferments the sugar, which alcohol stays in the liquid, but the carbon dioxide escapes. So that is all about